Hey, what's up guys, this is Danny from 305. Thanks for watching. I'm changing the axle on this R32. Has some big brakes. It's used to be my car one day. I miss it. I don't have it anymore. I got into an accident, it crashed the side. I had the supercharger on it, some of you may know. I don't have that no more, so the supercharger, and then ended up selling the car. My GTI was ready to drive. So I got this thing out. Now we have a hub-centric ring for the rotor, which has been on forever. It looks like it's one piece already, but it's not. We're gonna try to take that off. It's not centering the rotor properly anymore. It got too flat. Try to pull it off, see if it's savable. If it is, cool. Now we have another one. It's an aluminum ring, so it's sensitive and it's kind of rusted on, so probably gonna be able to take it off without damaging it. And it's off. This is the ring. We're gonna put a new one on. These are special orders. I got them from England. They make them for the Mercedes rotors to fit on the Volkswagen hub. When you do the 18Z brakes, 17Zs, you have to use the Mercedes rotors. That's what we use it for. We have the new rings. It's gonna use one. I tried to clean the other one, but looks like the lip is not that good anymore. It's been on for years, so it's not setting the rotor properly anymore. I was trying to set it in here. It wasn't setting properly. I'm gonna clean the rotor off. I have to use some grinder to clean it off first. And now a ring. It's gonna fit in here perfect. Have to do some cleaning here too. Honda S2004 coilovers. This guy has a CC. He's been coming here forever. He has an S2000. They don't mind lowering it.